You commented on one of the vidIQ videos, and I assume you've downloaded the vidIQ tool. What aspects of vidIQ do you use on a regular basis, and what's your favorite tool?
So the scorecard I use religiously, and it's not just for new uploads. Recently, I've started to go back to some of the older videos that have started to get traction through views and watch time. And I've gone in using the vidIQ scorecard and looked at whether or not the SEO rank, what kind of tags am I using? How are they ranking at the moment? Are there any other tags that I could explore? I recently upgraded to vidIQ Boost, which is awesome, by the way, and I'm not just saying that, it genuinely is, because it helps you look at other videos at the moment which are really pumping out the views, and there's an opportunity to maybe jump on the back of that, kind of ride their coattail when you could potentially get onto their suggested list. So I've been using Boost quite a lot. And one of the most interesting ones, believe it or not, is from the moment when you created the video of my channel where the turbo chatter was my highest video, since using Boost and re-optimizing all of the tags, actually I've now got a new highest video, which is a 1200 PHP convoy to see a Bugatti Chiron, which effectively was optimized through your app, through vidIQ.
Another thing I would mention as well, if you're now on Boost, is that you have the keyword research tool, which we also featured in the case study, which just gives you an idea of related topics on the, well, for you the above, but it's really good for finding long tail keywords, which small YouTube channels don't use that often, but you certainly do. That's one area where you always rank really highly. Whether or not there's 5,000 people searching for it or 10,000, that's 10,000 people who are completely underserved by YouTube. And I don't know if you've used bulk SEO yet, but that will tell you what keywords people are searching for and finding your video, even if you're not using that keyword. So check that out as well if you do have time. But
no, I have actually. Yeah, it helped me actually rank for a couple of the bath keywords in Japanese, which I never thought I'd be able to do. So thanks to bulk SEO, I managed to rank around the Japanese markets.